The whole of so block off. No car can't pass this up. Wanna take a look? My God. Man. Family. My God. Guys. This. I know nothing normal. Listen me, man. Jesus Christ, guys. No, sir. Man, I never seen nothing like this yet. Never in my life. Brother, I water go down go dig out the whole of this, you know? Guys. My God. Brother. No, sir. No, sir. Jesus Christ, guys. This ain't my community, you know? I know nothing normal. And guys, I want to stick around for the next video that I'm going to show you, because trust me, we don't have some scene for go see. It's not pretty, and me and my general them there on the road. And we are taking what go on. But trust me, when you hear me tell you, this. Yes, brother. And he move, see there? Jesus Christ. It's not pretty, see there? See me show you what go on there. Jesus, guys. Brother, this is a scene and a half, man. And guys, we don't see nothing yet. I want to stick around for the next video. Because trust me, I have some scene for sure, you see. Jano. This is a history, man. This is a history, man. Brother Greg. Brother Greg. I want you to tell me if you ever experienced nothing like this before. Man, look on the road, man. Eh? Brother, I'm there in my house.